Okay, today we are going to fix those shingles. The ones are sliding. It's something very common. That is because roofers don't know where to put the nail. Okay, so we will take care. This is something anybody has to be able to do it. Okay. All we need is nails, maybe some shingles. Maybe we are able to reuse the same ones, and sealant, roof sealant. Okay, so we are here. Para los... Ok, este problema aquí, esta reparación es reparar estas dos hojas que se están cayendo. El problema es porque los clavos están mal puestos. Hello. Hello, hello. Ok. Estaba pensando usar las mismas hojas, pero no tenemos todas estas partes. 1, 2, 3. Por aquí faltan otros 2. Aquí hay 1, 4. Nos falta 1. Entonces, para que quede parejo, los vamos a cambiar completos. Ok. Primero, pues obviamente hay que arrancar la teja. First, obviously, we have to remove the shingle. I am not able to see if they put some more nails under. Looks like it's not, but the sealant is, it sticks to the flashing, so that will make it so complicated. Ooh. La parte difícil es hacerlo sin dañar el siding. Aquí ya salió esta. Aquí estaba pegada. Ok. Seguimos tratando de arrancar esta teja. Esto es la parte difícil. No hay una ciencia, un truco. Es solamente tener paciencia para no dañar el siding. Ok. Sí, I think Okay, so we already removed those shingles under. That is the hard part. Okay, so now we have to remove this shingle. This one, it looks like yes, one nail is holding that shingle, so we have to find that nail. Okay. No, it was no nail. Okay, so this is trash. And all this is trash. Okay, so first thing, we have to put enough nails to hold the flashing in place. Okay. Just in case, I think that is not an issue, but we will seal these holes just to prevent any issue. Okay, so we are going to install nails. Okay, to prevent this happening again, we will put matte nails. Oh my gosh. Hello?
Hey, regarding your Google My Business listing.
Okay. 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 So we already secured the flashing. This is the way I do it. Okay, I know someone will have different opinions, but this is the way how it works for me. I cut this part. I'm just gonna use the exposure part of the shingle, okay? We'll need another one. Same thing. Solo vamos a usar la parte de abajo, que es la que se mira, la expuesta. La cortamos así. Bueno, ya la corto así. Lo más bonito que se pueda. Ok. Después, esto se lo quitamos. Esta hoja se mete por aquí. Aquí arribita hay algo que está estorbando, entonces le cortamos esa esquinita para que la hoja entre. Aquí entra parejita, le vamos a cortar un poquito más. Ok, está ahí bien alineada. Y le ponemos clavos. La mayoría de la gente levanta aquí y le pone el clavo por abajo. Pero ¿qué es lo que pasa? Esto esta parte, esta lengüita, solamente está pegada con chapapote. El chapapote cuando hace calor se derrite. Entonces por eso es que aquí se mira, se derrite, entonces se empieza a deslizar cuando hace calor. Ok, entonces para prevenir eso, yo lo que hago, le pongo los clavos aquí donde está doble. Clavo, 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 clavo y clavo. Ok. Ok, así ya no se va a resbalar. Aquí tiene el chapapote, se va a detener con el chapapote, aparte tiene estos clavos. Ok, no hay forma de que se resbale. Ok, entonces vamos a poner la otra. Le sobra un pedacito, se lo quitamos. Ok, I like to do this way because some people just leave this part and put the nail here. Okay, this shingle has like 2 strips of tar under, and that is the only thing is holding this part from the main part of the shingle. So when we have a hot weather, that tar, like it here, it melts. So when it melts, that causes the shingles slide, because this shingles doesn't have enough nails, and the sealant is not enough to hold the shingle, especially like with a hot weather. So the way I do is I put nails. Every part is double, 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4 nails. Okay, so we are holding this part and the bottom one, 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 and we also holding the flashing too. In this case, this flashing was so high, so lifted, so we're going to prevent that too. Here I want to put it here, but the flashing will be exposed, so we will do on top. Here's a nail. That is the reason it's stucking. So okay, now take a look. Okay, so the shingle is already aligned, so we will put the nails where I told you. One, 2, 3, and this is the other one. We have to find a better place as possible, because, well, it's not, I'm not expecting a lot of water here, but just to make sure. So we put this nail here. Okay, and that's it. Well, it's not it. That's not it. So we don't want to leave those nails exposed, so we seal those nails. Okay, this is a roof sealant. Okay, no caulking, it's roof sealant. Okay, aquí le ponemos silicón a los clavos. solo para que no queden expuestos. Y le damos un toquecito para asegurar que se selle bien, que se pegue bien, especialmente en la parte de arriba. Ok, y así queda. Ahora sí, no se vuelve a caer. Ok, una foto para el recuerdo. Una foto para la clienta. Y es todo. Solo ocupamos 2 hojas para hacer esa reparación. We use only 2 shingles for that repair. Okay. Todo esto es basura.